5 habits that keep you broke and how to break them. You might be earning a decent income, but still end every month with nothing left. Why? It's not just about how much you make. It's about the habits that quietly drain your money. Not all at once, but through small daily decisions that add up. Today, I'll share 5 financial habits that keep you broke. They may seem harmless, but they hold you back from saving, investing, and building real freedom. Habit 1, living paycheck to paycheck. You get paid and spend every dollar. No savings, no buffer, no plan. You tell yourself, next month I'll save. But something always comes up. The problem is, without a financial cushion, every emergency becomes a crisis. Start by saving the amount of 1 paycheck, then build to 3. Automate it if you can, so saving happens before you even notice. Habit 2, not tracking your spending. You think you're spending just a little, but then look at your bank statement and wonder where $400 went. It's the coffee, delivery, online impulse buys. They add up quietly. These small leaks can drain hundreds a month. Try tracking every expense for just 1 week. You'll quickly see where your money disappears and how to stop it. Habit 3, spending to impress. New phone, designer clothes, fancy restaurants. Not because you need them, but because you feel you should have them. We all want to appear successful, but trying to look rich often keeps you poor. Wealthy people don't waste money trying to prove they have it. They spend on what matters. Ask yourself, is this for me or to impress someone else? Habit 4, ignoring auto payments. How many subscriptions are still charging your card? Streaming services, apps, memberships you don't use anymore. $5 here, $12 there. It adds up fast. Take 10 minutes once a month to check your auto payments. Cancel what you don't need. That's money back in your pocket without cutting anything important. Habit 5, waiting to invest. I'll start investing when I make more money. Sound familiar? But when income goes up, expenses usually go up too. You'll always feel like it's not the right time. Start small. Even $50 a month invested consistently can make a huge difference over the years. Investing isn't just for rich people. It's how people become financially secure. Breaking these habits isn't about willpower. It's about awareness. The more you notice what your money is doing, the more control you gain. Small changes, repeated over time, lead to big results. You don't need more money to get ahead. You need better habits. Start today. Your future self will thank you.